Welcome back to my channel, and before we get started, as you can see, we are playing some Subway Surfers, and I hope you like this video, because I am unbreakable, unstoppable, you break me down and get up again, I am unbreakable. Let's go. Guys, I hope you guys like this video. So let's see our mission. Collect people. See, what do we get? Keys. Bronze award, 3 keys. Okay, achievements. Missions. Pick up 2 jetpacks. Pick up 50 coins with a jetpack. Use 1 head start. Use 1 of the head starts. Guys.
Go get that book.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna make sure nothing surprises us. Go.
So guys, we're playing Among Us. Pogo stick! Woo! Magnet, yay! Yo! If you don't know what Subway Surfers is, pretty much it's a game. Ooh, an elephant! I want this. Ow! I need 8 keys. We're gonna restart, guys. I don't like this. Guys, I love Subway Surfers. It's making me mad. Woo, my coins! Guys, sorry I'm so silent. I'm just trying to pay attention. As you can hear, I'm actually watching Goosebumps. Oh, I died. And in the background, I'm literally watching Goosebumps as we speak. So, yeah, it's kind of insane. I'm making a video while listening to Goosebumps being played in the background. I hope you guys like that new background. If so, I'll do it in some more of my videos. But just a new thing that I wanted to try. If you guys like it, hit that like button. If you guys dislike it, hit that subscribe button. I know, odd match. I'm odd, like Crainer. Whoa. Whoa, we're going really quick, and this is a hard part of the map. Oh, I died again, guys. Oh, free jetpack. Guys. Let's go!
Tonight, I'll be eating a veggie cheeseburger and ciabatta. No tomato.
Tonight, I'll be eating 4 cheese tortellini with extra tomatoes.
So it's coming.
Guys, commercial. Really fast jetpack. What the heck? Guys, we are going so quick, I can barely even keep up. Oh, that was a hard jump. High score, okay. Got a mystery box. Okay. Okay. Claim reward. Got it. Lame. 3 keys. Play another game of Subway Surfers. Alright, I love this game. I gotta be honest with you. This is what my cousin will do. You die! Like, why do you even do that? Ay, caramba. Oh, by the way, guys, it won't let you comment. For some reason, it won't let you comment these days on YouTube. So, yeah. I don't know what's up with that, but, yeah, it won't let you comment. Woo! Woo! Whoa, I lost my bouncy shoes. That would have been scary if I did not. Oh, my gosh. Thought I could jump too early there. Bop, body dop, bop, body dop, dop, yappity dop, dop, yappity bop, bop, yappity yap, yap, yappity yap, yap, yappity yap, yap, yap. Look at all these coins I'm getting. It's actually so laggy getting all these coins, guys. Oh my gosh, it was just so laggy. Not only because of getting the coins, how quick I'm going, plus getting all those coins from the magnet. Guys, it was so glitchy. Woo! Oh no. Star. Guys, I am going so quick. Oh, guys. Do I use 2 keys? Nah. I won't. Guys, I hope you liked today's video. It's gonna be all. But if you liked it, leave a big old like. So if you do like it, but if you dislike it, again, subscribe. I know, odd match, right? I kind of figured. So yeah, goodbye everyone. I will see you in the next video. So adios, see you later. Goodbye.